Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'm bringing a low budget recipe for you. That's the vanilla recipe. A lot of things are costly in the market right now, but the truth is every business is looking for profit, and when you're not making profit, that simply means you're running a charity organization. So this lovely recipe will wow you, and the taste is so amazing. You will try, and I believe you will come back to thank me later. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. I drop new videos every week, and subscription is free just for you to get a lot of my newest video. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video, and also feel free to comment, and also feel free to ask questions. Let's start. Ingredients for this lovely recipe: 250 grams of flour. You can see I'm sieving it already. I have my sugar, 200 grams of sugar, 5 eggs, vanilla flavor, you'll be using 1 teaspoon. I'll be mixing it with butterscotch, also 1 teaspoon. And I also add my condensed milk, 1 teaspoon. I'm not using any milk. Like I said before, this is a low budget recipe. So I'll also include this baking powder. You just need 1 teaspoon. This is golden syrup. I'll mix these 4 flavors together. You will be using 1 teaspoon for the golden syrup, 250 grams of margarine, and that is all you need for this and also your nutmeg. So if you have a turning stick, please go ahead and use, but today I just want to be fast because I'm baking and decorating everything today, so I'll be using my hand mixer. I'll start from the lowest speed to the highest speed. I'll cream a little and I'll add my sugar, and I will continue creaming till it's looking pale. As you can see, our margarine and sugar is looking pearl already. So right now I'll start cracking the eggs. Crack one after the other to avoid any bad one. Okay, whisk the egg for a while and you add all your flavors. One teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon of butterscotch flavor, 1 teaspoon of condensed milk flavor, and 1 teaspoon of golden syrup. But golden syrup is not much, so I'll be dropping a little. Take your time to whisk all together and you set aside. Add in a little nutmeg, just grate. I love the seed one. The aroma and taste is amazing. Now you're adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve everything together. Right now you need to go and on your oven to start preheating. before you start incorporating both the dry and wet ingredients into your batter. So right now I will start adding a little of the wet ingredients, a little of the dry ingredients. You can call it liquid ingredients, a little of the dry ingredients. My oven is on right now. After adding all the ingredients, our batter is looking thick, so I need to add water. Yes, water. Yes, I said water. Like I said, this is a low budget recipe. We're not using liquid milk. I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of water. I added 3 first and I added extra 1 later. You can see our batter is looking soft right now. Okay, I've already greased my pan with margarine and I dusted it with flour. So I'll be transferring this batter into my 8 inches pan. After transferring into the pan, I'll just tap on the table to close up all air bubbles, stretch the oven and bake for 30 minutes, but around 25 minutes I'll start checking. Just use a skewer or toothpick to pierce your cake to check whether it's ready from 25 minutes, but around 30 minutes this beautiful cake was ready. Right now you can see the top is dry, yes, but the inside is soft. If you have your skewer, just pierce and check. If it comes out dry, that means your cake is ready. So I'll flip it all over to allow it to cool, because I'm decorating it today. Like I said before, we are running a low budget cake. I'm also going to decorate it, so make sure you watch the decoration of this cake, even the buttercream making. Make sure you watch. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, so that if I drop the video of the buttercream and decoration, you will get an alert. I'm allowing it to cool for a while. You can see our cake is lovely and looking beautiful. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, click on the all notification to get alert of our newest video. Please like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.